Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Decluttered. In today's episode, I would like to discuss with you my hand. So when I was driving to the center today, I observed a very interesting thing on my hand which I wanted to relate to a few maths concepts. I'm not into astrology, I can't read hands, I can't read palms, but let's look at how you can relate maths to this. Pause the video for a few seconds, think about it, leave your answers in the comments and come back to this video to know what is it that I saw. So if you look at my hand and if I treat this as the line y is equal to x, this becomes log x and lo and behold, this becomes e power x. Very interesting, right? What I want to discuss further from this is that log x and e power x are nothing but reflection of each other in the line y is equal to x, which brings us to the concept of inverse functions, wherein we say that the inverse of a function is the reflection of the graph in y is equal to x. Let us take the example of x square. The graph of x square for x greater than 0, because that's when the inverse is defined, looks something like this. And we all know that the reflection of this will look something like this, which is nothing but root x. When I was working on transformations of points, reflection of points with 9th standard students, this was the same concept that was taught to them, and this was the same concept taught to us in 11th. What was taught to us in 9th standard is that the reflection of a point in the line y is equal to x is a point where the x coordinate and the y coordinates are swapped, and the reflection of a point in x is equal to minus y is swapping both x and y coordinates and also adding a minus sign. So the reflection of x comma y in the line y is equal to x will be y comma x, and the reflection of point x comma y in the line y is equal to minus x will be minus y comma minus x. I leave it to you to think two very simple questions. What is the reflection of a point in the x-axis and the y-axis? I hope you had fun with this imagination.